Quality control labs and manufacturing companies often find themselves heavily relying on Excel files. It suffices to say that this is far from ideal. What if you could replace all your Excel files with one easy-to-use platform? What benefits would that bring? AlisQI offers a laboratory information management solution specifically designed for manufacturers. This smart EQMS helps you with everything from calibration to incoming goods validation, from in-process control to your final product inspection. Instrument interfacing, audit trails, certificates of analysis, we've got you covered. Bring your data to life with the built-in SPC toolkit and simplify document management with clear flowcharts and automated version control. By choosing AlisQI, you immediately reap the benefits. With our Excel import templates, we'll have you up and running in no time.